are you doing now, Mr. Olson?
I'm putting in a Easter system.
How awesome is that?
Yeah. You want to see it?
Yes.
Okay. I did hang all the pipe, stainless steel pipe, and this pump's gonna push water 1,000 psi out these nozzles. And the pipe was powder coated to almond to match my house. So
I didn't even see it. You'd have to tell me it was there.
right. So
Wow.
it's about 80 feet. It starts over there at that last pillar, and then wraps around the house. Then right here, I got a shut-off valve so that if we don't want to miss that part of the house, I can shut it off here. So that's there.
Okay.
I had to take my light off to get around here in this corner, and then I bought a pipe bender from Lowe's, and I bent the pipe. I didn't do a very good job, but
What?
I bent it, and then it bent up. This right here is going to be closed off. I got 3 places where it's closed and won't be spraying mist, and that's one of them. And then runs all the way to the top. Well, I got a ending clamp, and I had to cut the pipe. It went a little farther, so
That's the whole length of the house.
this is the whole back end, yeah. 1,000 psi, and hopefully it sprays a lot of cool water. It's supposed to cool our air about 20 to 30 degrees. So
Wow.
it was a top-notch system. I bought it online in California, and I'll share more details later. But yeah, it's been a little bit of work.
Can you do the tool the Tin Man Taylor?
Right?
I'm following you.
Yep. So it starts here, wraps around, goes around the back.
Wow.
And then I'm going to have it hooked up to that hose bib right there.
Okay.
It'll sit on those blocks, and then I'll plug it in over there. I'm going to use a Wi-Fi switch so I can run it from my phone,
Okay.
turn it off and on.
Nice.
So yeah, it's going to be cool.
I think so. Boy, Rico and Mickey are gonna love it out here. You can be out here when it's hot. It's getting dark. You've been working all day.
Yep. So I'm about ready to hook up my Mister system. I got a Leviton Wi-Fi outlet right here. So this is good for 15 amps, and the pump, which is a direct drive pump, runs at 8.5 amps. So this switch will be good, and it's already integrated into my Wi-Fi system. So I just need to plug it in and reconnect it. So let's give it a try. So I ran the tubing up and down, and there's my pump. It's a gallon per minute, 1,000 psi, and of course I got it connected to my water supply right here. I got that on right there, and we'll go ahead and plug this in. have a My Leviton app on my phone right here. And then I have my outlet named, so I'll select it and turn it on. And what's happening? Let's see what's going on.
Rico's excited about
Alright,
this.
so it's priming the system, and water's going through the line.
Oh, I see it. Rico, look! Rico, look! Ooh. Oh!
What's running off the sides, I think. Now that I've tightened up the joints, let's see if it holds water again. All right. Excellent. Excellent. Wow. Look at this. And then here we are. Turn it off.
Nice. Hey,
Turn
Rico.
it on.
He's gonna love being out here.
Right?
Oh, wow. That really brings the heat down.
Yeah.
Nice. I can feel the difference
So look at that.
quite a bit. Yeah, that's nice.
Shut that off. I gotta tighten this one up. Get another.
Well, that's fun, huh?
Turn it back on.
What do you think, Rico?
Hi.
Hi.
So I wanted to finish up the video, but talk about some of the parts that they gave us. So this is the stainless steel tubing that the water runs through, and these are the misting heads. So they just hand screw on right here, like that, and tighten down. And it's powder coated. You can select different types of colors. I selected almond because it was the closest to the house color that I had. And it came in a very large plastic tube, and all the stainless steel tubes were in there together. And they just hand screw in like that, literally. That's it, just hand screwed in. And then there were a couple areas that I didn't want missed, so I went to Ace Hardware and I bought these stainless steel screws, and they're the same, and I put those in so that no water would come out in those areas. So there were 3 areas where I had to have those screws, and I bought these at Ace Hardware. Now to connect these, they gave us stainless steel connectors. This is an angle 90 degrees, but very easy to use. Just tighten it, and then with the 11/16 wrench, you tighten it like that. And then we had this tubing here, 50 feet of it. And this is required to be connected to your high pressure pump. Because of the vibration, you got to have this tubing, which is nylon, and then that connected in, and then tightened down like that. So this is the misting system like this, and I ran it under the eaves of the house, as you can see, all the way down and along the edge. I did have to change the direction of this stainless steel pipe, and I used a pipe bender that I got at a hardware store to get the angle I needed. It was less than 90 degrees, so that didn't work. And then to connect this underneath on the eave, they gave me these straps and screws, and then they go on like that, and then with a drill, I drilled that into the back of the board. So all in all, very high quality system. In Arizona, we want a good system that will last a long time. One of the key things is filters. The water is really hard, and you know, it has some sediments and stuff like that in it. And these misting heads have such small, fine holes in the top that the water has to be super clean. And the system I got was a direct drive 1000 PSI pump, which I have connected to the side of the house, and it filters the water through 2 filters, and then it pushes 1000 PSI through these pipes, and then that's about it. So the system was relatively easy, I thought, to install. It was expensive because this is high quality parts, about $3,000. The pump alone is $1,200. And then I tied it to a Wi-Fi outlet that I had connected to my Wi-Fi. Additionally, that outlet is linked to Alexa, so I can tap on my Alexa, turn on the mister.
Okay.
And then turns it on, and it runs. Then everybody's in the house, they're not outside, and we want to turn it off. I just, Alexa, turn off the mister.
Okay.
So it's very simple to use that way. They did offer a remote. It was like $150. The Wi-Fi outlet that I bought was probably about $40. Plus it's connected to Alexa, so much better deal. So that sums it up. Misting system in Arizona is important. It can cool off the temperatures about 20 degrees, and part of the reason why we have ours is because my wife has some birds, and in the daytime it gets real hot, so we want to turn on the mister system, keep them cool. So other than that, if you see something wrong, fix it.